Hey everyone, welcome back to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. Today's video, we're going to make one of my absolutely favorite cocktails, the paper plane. As you can see, we got some paper planes already set up for decoration. Let's get right to it. This is one of our rare cocktails that uses 4 equal parts. You don't usually see equal parts of many ingredients, especially 4 ingredients. So for this one, we're going to use our shaker with ice. We'll start out with 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of bourbon. For this one, I'm going to use Old Forester. I got a huge selection behind me. This bottle is getting a little low. Why not use a good bourbon that's getting toward the end of its life anyway? 3/4 of an ounce of that. 3/4 of an ounce of Amaro Nonino. This is a hard one to find. I actually had to order this one online. Don't tell the state of Pennsylvania, because I just could not find it anywhere locally. There are lots of kinds of Amaros. Apparently this is the best one to use for a paper plane. I'm on my second bottle and I would agree, it is fantastic. Lastly, we're going to use an equal part of lemon juice, which is also weird. Usually that would be a lot of citric acid for a cocktail. In this case, it works perfectly, not too tart. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of that. All right. Go ahead and give that a shake. So it's nice and cold to the touch. And we will strain that into our coupe glass. Oh, I love the color on these. Aperol gives it a little bit of red. Get the browns from the bourbon. And this time we cut ahead of time because this took us a few tries. Pretty little slice of lime here for a garnish. And what else to use for a paper plane cocktail? But a mini paper plane. It's probably gonna fall right into my drink, but hey, for the sake of the video, it'll work. So cheers, let's give that a shot. Oh, I love this drink. I have so many of these. Usually when I have one, I have 5 or 6 more, and that might be the case tonight as well. So thanks for joining us. I appreciate you watching the video. Please subscribe, like the video below. We'll see you soon.